Hi everyone, my name is Latasha and welcome to my channel. I thought today I would start off by making a dreamcatcher tutorial. So if you don't know me, then I am a small business owner at LR John Crafts, where I make dreamcatchers, jewellery and other small little gift items. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go take a look at my shops. But yeah, so today I'm going to show you how to make a simple web dreamcatcher. So the one that I have made is just this one here, really simple. It's really great for beginners, so I'm going to include kits on my website which will have every single thing that you're going to need to make this design. I'll also have them in smaller sizes for kids if they wanted to help them join along too. So if you would like to learn how to make this particular design, then just keep watching. Okay, hi everyone, so I'm just going to start off with a wrapped hoop. You will need to do this before you start to make your own dreamcatcher. I've just used white for the sake of the tutorial, but you can choose whichever colour you would like. I recommend ribbon, but you could use cord, string, whatever you would like to use. This just makes it so much faster. So I always start off by gluing the end of the string because this will make it easier to thread beads onto, and it just gets rid of all those little flyaway hairs. So all I do is I put glue on my finger and then I rub the string in between two fingers, and this just smooths everything out. I then recommend to chop the end off, and this will get rid of all the little bits that you miss. So once you've done that, you are ready to start making the web. So all you need to do is tie the string to the hoop. I recommend doing it twice, and this way it won't come undone, because if this comes undone during the making process, everything you've done will need to be restarted because it'll just be ruined. So a good thing to do is also add in some glue. I usually wait till the end and just glue everything up then, but you can do it at the beginning if you'd like to. So just thread your string through your needle and you're ready to start. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure that the string is over the top of the hoop, and then with your needle just weave underneath and come through that hole that you've created and just pull it tight. You want to make sure it's all tight, because if it isn't, it will just look a mess. So I'll just show you that again. So what you want to do is make sure the string is over the hoop, and then put your needle underneath and through that gap, and then pull the string. Just try and keep these gaps nice and even the whole way around. Now just do that the whole way around the hoop. Okay, so now that you're at the end of that, instead of carrying on the hoop, you want to use that little gap that you create between the string and the hoop, put your needle through that and pull it through. This just continues the web on. Now you need to continue that the whole way round until you get right into the middle. Okay, so as you can see here, I just need to add some more string. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line them up next to each other and loop it over like you would when you're going to tie your shoelace. Just double knot it. And then what I do is I trim the excess and just adding glue. So what I do is I put the glue on my finger just like at the start and I rub the string in between. This smooths it out and it makes it look less noticeable. You can still see it, but hardly, and it's the best way I found to try and disguise it. Okay, so now that we're near the end of the web, what you want to do is just follow your original line. So wherever you started off your web, just follow that through, and then you want to weave in between these little triangles. You weave in between those, and when you pull it tight, everything will be drawn into the middle. This is just the neatest way to do it. You can leave a little hole if you want to add a bead, but if not, just pull it really tight and make sure to double knot and glue straight away. And there you have it. Just add your feathers and your ribbon at the top and you're done. You have a dream catcher.